Looking at this part, it is quite clear that shelling would play a major role. As always, the first step is to identify the main shape. If we ignore these indentations, this is simply a disc with a cylinder in the middle. So let's start with that. For the first example, I'm going to assume that the indentations are flushed with the disc. Later, I will discuss another example where they extend beyond the disc. To create the indentations at the top, I have prepared the sketch here. Begin the extrude command with this profile. I will be working with a shell thickness of 1mm throughout, so we want to control this cut to be 1mm away from the base. For extend type, select To Object and select the base face. We can introduce an offset from the base by entering a value of -1. Before shelling, we want to add in fillets. With these fillets in place, the shell would automatically adjust the thickness and introduce fillets on the reverse side as well. Go to Modify, Shell. Select the base face. Adjust the thickness. So with a simple command, we have created a lip, a protrusion, and a cylindrical cut, all the while maintaining a universal wall thickness of 1mm. At this point, we can split out this portion and pattern bodies. Or we could have also patterned the cut before shelling. I will leave that for you to try. This workflow will be applicable for the case where the indentation is either level with or below the base face. Let's take a look at the next example where the indentation exceeds the base face. In this case, it will be very difficult to use the same sketch to make the cut from the top and at the same time build a protrusion at the bottom that extends beyond the base face. For this example, it actually makes more sense to shell the main body first. Go to Modify, Shell. Select the base face and adjust the thickness. I have prepared a sketch here on a plane that is above the base face. Begin the extrude command with this profile. For extend type, set to all. Flip the direction. Set the operation to join. With extend set to all, the extrude automatically terminates up against any existing faces. To create the cut at the top, we shall use the shell command. Select these three faces. Adjust the thickness. Let's roll back to before the shell. Let's try creating a circular pattern for this extrude and see if the shell would regenerate successfully. Roll forward the timeline. Hope that this has been helpful. I will see you in the next one.